Beneath this mirror-like surface lies a prehistoric world where every ripple tells a story of survival. We are venturing deep into the heart of Florida's river of grass, a massive, slow-moving pulse that keeps an entire state alive. Can this fragile labyrinth of sawgrass and mangroves withstand the pressure of a changing world?
Beneath this mirror-like surface lies a prehistoric world where every ripple tells a story of survival.
Launching into the vast prairie of the river of grass, where the horizon disappears into infinite stalks of sawgrass. Explaining the unique 2026 water management sensor arrays that monitor the flow of this 60-mile-wide shallow river. Capturing the auditory experience of the wind through the blades as we transition from the open sun into the dark canopy. For more information like this, like, comment, share, and subscribe.